So I got a new wig and I want to see if I can style it. Let's see what happens. Where's my hair tie? Wait, hold on. Okay, so my front pieces are tied back. I do not know the name of the wig company, but I will leave it in the description. I think we're doing a half up style. Half up? That feels right. But it's definitely not even. I added green to the front. The wig is 28 inches, I believe. Okay. How's y'all day going? Cause let me tell you, mine is chaotic as per fucking usual. I'm tired of fighting with my 2-year-old. And my 7-year-old don't even try to listen no more. She just do what the fuck she want. I can't tell if I like this or not. So we are gonna put on some makeup and see if that helps. Yeah. My ears poking out. That's why my baby ears stick out, ain't it? Cause mine stick out. Okay, so let's put on some makeup. We'll see how I feel about it in a second. Hold on. Okay, this is the final makeup, final hair. I like my green.